Hi everyone, welcome back for another video. If it's your first time watching my video, please do me a favor and subscribe if you want to watch more of these type of videos. I make all kinds of videos, okay? I make beauty related videos, hair related videos, mukbangs, cleaning videos, lifestyle videos. Anyways, today though, we're making some keto breakfast. So starting off with our ingredients, first on the list we have this Philadelphia cream cheese, and I'm just gonna use half of a stick. Then I'm gonna put it in the microwave so it can just melt, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add my heavy cream, just like a regular heavy cream, just a little bit, just a little bit to give me that fat that I want, because you want anything fat, like good fat though, good fat. Remember that. So moving on, I'm gonna add a little handful of this mozzarella cheese. I'm doing a very lazy ketogenic diet, guys. So I just calculate everything with my hands, but I do have some tools that I use every now and then if I really need to. And then moving on, I'm gonna add my vanilla extract, just a little bit or a lot. A little bit. After I add all that, I'm gonna go ahead and whisk it before I add my other ingredients. Then I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of the Swerve sugar replacement, and then I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of the baking soda. I'm gonna go ahead and add 1.5 tablespoons of the almond flour. And once all of that is added, I'm gonna go ahead and add my egg. Because it was looking a little bit thick, I went ahead and added a little bit of the almond milk. That's all I did, and make sure you whisk, flip, flip until everything comes together nicely. And then we're gonna move on to our stove. Now, this is a very, very tricky part, guys. It did not look as fancy as you might have seen it in other videos, but it tasted good though. I'm gonna use a little bit of the coconut oil, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and do my pancake as normal. I would just pick it with a spoon, like a really big spoon, like a tablespoon kind of, and just add as I need it to. And that's it. That's kind of how I just do it, because it cooks pretty fast, so you want to make sure you keep an eye on it. So that is it. I did about 5 pancakes, so that gives you kind of like an idea. And I was the only one eating it, so 5 pancakes was pretty much fine for me because I was eating it with some eggs. And now I'm gonna show you how I make my eggs, girl.
When there's no hope, hiding, no chance, concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me, for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let fade. Oh, but I don't close the door, waiting a chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so. When there's no hope, loving for you who saw me before I knew who I'd be. What I have around me means nothing.
I'm gonna go ahead and cook my bacon or fry my bacon. I don't like it very crispy. This is just how I like to do it. When I'm in a rush, I do this and it tastes just fine. So I'll go ahead and fry it. Once it starts looking kind of brownish, like I feel like, okay, the fire has entered the bacon, like it's, it's cooking or it's cooked, I'll just go ahead and season my eggs. Now, I use a little bit of pink salt and a little bit of black pepper, and then I just go ahead and pour everything on the bacon and call it a day. That is all I do, and this thing tastes delicious.
Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so.
my syrup, I use this Walden. I can't really see the name. I think it's like Walden Forms or something like that, pancake syrup. I'm gonna leave everything that I use in the description bar below, so if you're interested, make sure you check that out. But this syrup just gives it like another taste. Like, this syrup is not even nasty at all. Like, this whole thing here is bae, okay? It tastes super good. Like, you won't even know that you on a keto diet. It don't even taste like keto. So I'll just go ahead and eat up my food, my breakfast, and call it a day. Thank you all so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, honey boo boo cha, what are you waiting for? What is you waiting for? Subscribe. Do me a favor and subscribe, and I'll talk to y'all very, very soon. Bye.